Alrighty, everybody, how's it going? Wanted to take some time here. It's been a couple weeks. Want to do an update here on the 68 Camaro, show you a little bit about what's done, what's got to be done to it. I just today put the new body mount bushings, which I'm happy you don't have to completely remove the subframe. If you're even with the steering box or the steering column hooked up, there's barely enough room, but you can get in there. I put polyurethane bushings back in it. I need to clean it up, start doing the bottom side of it. I do have two new front fenders on the car. These are Dynacorn. They fit okay. I have a GM NOS fender for the driver's side, but then I was like, I accidentally ordered the wrong side. I ordered a driver's side when I had the new driver's side, and I thought it was the passenger side. So, but I got two brand new fenders for it. I'm just gonna run in, I'll sell the NOS stuff, because they fit okay, and this isn't gonna be like a high-end show car by any means. We got other fender on. I just went and picked this one up today. I still got a lot of fitment on this side. The door on the bottom needs to actually go back in towards the car a little bit. I need to tighten that back up. But I did go ahead and put the two brand new doors on the car. Got them from Rick's. Believe it or not, I think I ended up paying like $180 a piece for the shells. About what it costs just for skins. They fit really well. Now, I'm going to show you a few things. Inside, there's a few little places where you're going to have to come in and weld. But, I mean, for the price, you're not going to find nicer doors for the money, because they're like $300 a piece from anywhere else. And there's also another brace inside here that goes on the back side of this that needs to be welded up. But that's 5 minutes of work to save that much money. I'd do it again. This does also have Rick's quarter skins on it. These are the 67. I cut them out for the 68 lights. I did the full skin all the way up to about here. I got to block this one more time, and y'all may have remembered there was some really bad dents here. I filled them in. There's still a little low spot here and a little low spot up top, but it is night and day better. I did the outer wheel lips. I did them, cut them out, and refixed them. So on the back side, you can't tell it's done. Back window needs a little bit more work. It's got the 69 Camaro deck lid. I blocked it one more time. And just so you can see this thing, I mean, I know it's not a lot, we're just sitting here in primer, but it's pretty okay. It's a good starting point. But we did these, basically cut them right here all the way down, welded them on, finished it off in the bottom. I've also seam sealed on the inside where I did the skins, because I'm going to bed liner the inside of the car and trunk and the floor pans, so it looks real nice. But look at the door gaps. Perfect. That fender gap's really nice. I still got the little cheapy 15.7 rallies on it. I am going later today to go pick up, I have some Will Ventique 62s, 15.8s I'm putting on the back. I'm going to try to run the 275 rear tire. If it doesn't work, I'll switch the tires on the back of this with the 68 SS Chevelle. But now I need to come in here. Now it's really just a bunch of sanding the floors down. The trunk's been sandblasted. It's in red oxide, so it's in pretty good shape. There's really just a few pinholes over there in that floor that needs to be done and just cleaned up and painted. I need to pull out. Someone started doing sheet metal in the back. I'm going to take all the rivets out, make it look good. But I do think for now I'm going to run the poverty caps with the steel wheels on the car. And then really most of the rest of the body work is just the top of the roof of the car. And I still probably have to mud it one more time even after this yet, but I got most of it out. Looks like the hood, someone didn't latch it, probably went down the track, and when it busted, it had a replacement windshield in it. And then I got a brand new upper and lower valance to put on the car, and I got a brand new cow hood in the shop to put on it. But once again, you know, I'm going to cut it up to put that tunnel ram through it. But we've getting a lot done. I'm hoping this is the beginning of March. My goal is before the end of March to go ahead and have this thing at least cut out and ready to paint, or if not painted, before the end of March. I need to order a radiator. I need to take the engine to the machine shop and get all that stuff done. But it's come a long way, as y'all can tell. I mean, it's not even like the same car. And once again, it's all been stripped down. You'll see here, it's all been stripped down to the metal all over the entire car. I need to come back in, and I do got to do the jams and all, and I need to sand them down. I have not sanded the jams, but you'll see even all the way into here I've done, but I'm going to sand that down. Same thing with the front. But them doors look good. And then I can go ahead and start doing some of the interior stuff. They shut good, operate good. That's what matters to me. And I need to just finish doing that. And then I need to lower the car. I'm thinking about doing 2 or 3 inch drop blocks. I still want to run the slapper bars on it, because once again, this is totally a day 2 car. I'm not looking for, you know, modern pro touring, nothing. Not like the other cars. I want something that's kind of just raw and ready to go. But this is how nice the trunk is. And once again, it's all in red oxide. It just needs to be sanded down. And then, like I said, I'm going to bed line it. I need to sand the bottom of the deck lid. And once again, the bottom of the car, I don't know if y'all have ever even seen it. It's really clean under there. I need to go back under it and sand it down probably one more time, and then get it ready for some semi-gloss black. Get that done. And then I did want to show y'all real quick, I did get a AMD hood, if it'll focus. An AMD hood for this car. It's the 4 inch, and I don't know, I'm not real good at measuring, but I just want to show y'all real quick, and I'll put the part number in this one thing too so it pulls it up. I mean, it fits pretty well. This one did have a pretty high on this side. I had to stand on it, and it pushed it down. It was probably about 1/8 of an inch high. It's pretty close now. But as you're gonna see, dude, that's the weirdest 4 inch looking hood I've ever seen. It's definitely like 5. But it's fine. I might not stay on this car. I just wanted something to keep that motor clean. I need to get back on it and get it back together. I'm gonna do the skin on this, put it back together too. So this would be a project next. But first thing first is the big block. 68. So if you like what you're seeing, keep tuned. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching.